gentlemen, we want to welcome the actors as they're coming out of the limo right now. And if you're not here yet, you should be here. Lanmou Melanje, the actors are here. Lanmou Melanje. I wonder what this is about. Well, it's about time we find out. The actors are here. Screening is going to start very soon, so stay tuned. And we have a first actor approaching. The first one is coming. Oh, it's a couple coming. And let's ask them a few questions. Your names, please. Have the camera this way, so if you can face the camera this way. Your name?
Joel.
Joel qui wall ou jouer dans movie ya.
Bon moi c'est bon ami Mackenson dans movie en cap bay monsieur des idées.
Okay, so you même cap messed up dans movie ya.
Ça on va ça on ya ça là.
D'accord. Et le nom c'est
Chana
qui wall ou jouer dans movie ya.
C'est Madame Joël.
Oh, mais Madame Joël. Bon, mes amis, applaudis Joël avec Madame ni qui a passé rentrer. Applaudis acteur pour nous, s'il vous plaît. Merci. Ah, et puis prochain acteur là ou bien actrice là pas avancer. Come. And she looks stunning. She looks amazing. She looks great. And your name is?
Nerland.
Nerland qui wall ou jouer dans movie.
Moi-même qui jouais avec Madame Mackenson, which is named Mark.
Hey, c'est Madame Mac dans movie. Mais ça me voit chavire Mac dans movie. I'm getting ouais ça oui. You look amazing, my dear. Welcome. And then as she t'en pour regarder bel travail ou fin faire dans movie. Applaudis pour nous s'il vous plaît, Madame Mac dans movie. The next one, oh my God, she is amazing. She is stunning. She is amazing. She's a diva. Hi. Je know oui, but for di know pour tout le monde qui regarde.
Lady Jean-Charles.
Lady Jean-Charles qui wall jouer dans movie.
Well, I play the crazy.
She plays the crazy woman. So, guys, be careful. She's crazy. All right, welcome, and we can't wait to watch that movie and see how you performed in it. Welcome. And the next actor or actress is approaching. The next actor, he looks handsome, guys. I'm drilling right now. Well, the name.
Jamar Benjamin.
And the name is sexy too. So welcome. And what role do you play in the movie?
Well, I'll just play a role. He can describe it though.
Okay, he can't describe it, so it must be something exciting, guys. Wait on it. I can't wait to watch it. Welcome. You're welcome. And the next actor. The next actor, and the idea was his. That's his movie actually. I want everybody to put their hands together. Everybody, put your hands together. Please give me a big round of applause for Mackenson Souffrant. He is, oh, wow, breathtaking. You look amazing.
Thank you, sister. I appreciate that.
Oh, he says, sister, hallelujah, we're in a church. You look amazing, and I can't wait to see that work of yours.
We'll see. I'm not going to say anything. I'll let it be a surprise. All right, sister?
Okay, we're going to let it be a surprise because I want to go inside and watch it now. You want to say to everybody that's here tonight?
I just want to say thanks to everyone that come here tonight, and I'm pretty sure you guys will not regret what you guys are about to witness tonight. That's all I have to say.
So guys, let's go inside and witness what Mackenson just said. Lanmou Melanje, guys, thank you for being here, and we're gonna start the showing right now. Lanmou Melanje, let's go inside. Thank you for being here, and thank you for supporting. You're supporting the Haitian cinema, you're supporting yourself, and you're supporting me, you're supporting Haiti in general. So thank you for being here tonight. Let's watch a great movie.
Tout ça, First, let me just ask, did you guys love the movie? Really? Really? I don't think so. Did you guys love the movie? Alright. First, let me just take my time to say thanks to each and every one of you guys that's here today. I know some of you came from all the way in West Palm to be here tonight. Say hello! Alright. And also my family, my wife, Lanmou Souffrant. She's here. Man, why don't you come down here and stand right next to you, man? Thank you so much for being here. Mary and your husband. I'm so proud of the fact that you guys are here. Thank you so very much. And my cast, you guys are so beautiful. That is my lovely wife, by the way, guys.
Thank you for coming out. Thank you for supporting my man. Thank you.
Isn't she look lovely? Alright. But again, my lovely cast. You guys, I couldn't do it without you guys. You guys did such an amazing job. God, you guys are the best. I don't have much to say. I don't know. I'm just gonna pass the crew to Lisa, to Neji, to Nella, to Mike. You guys did such an amazing job, and I'm happy that you're here.
Hello, everybody. Thank you for coming. And next year, Bonnie, I'll see you. C'est magique. It's not my two for the
Hi everybody, Mona Lisa. This is like partner something, okay? I am the one who knows the one with my team, my M's. So thank you for coming everyone. All my friends, thank you very much. Wait, I gotta give a big shout out to my designer, Ermion. I want to say thank you, and thank you everybody. I love you guys.
Thank you guys. Go to Jamal Benjamin. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys.
And my name is Austin. I go by the name of Joel. So thanks everybody. It's an amazing job. Merci un peu tout le monde qui supporte nous. Un seul bail m'a dit. Il pas la vessie la
Hi everyone, c'est Madame Jo.